Robinhood reporting its second consecutive quarterly profit, boosted by increased revenue from higher interest rates and cryptocurrency trading. Here is the company's CEO, Vlad Tenev, on Last Call discussing the health of the company.
We also had the largest net deposits in the history of the company. So that's net cash and assets moving into Robinhood of over $11 billion, which is the highest ever.
Joining us right now is Dan Dolev, Mizuho senior analyst. Good morning to you. Let's talk about this company, but also let's talk about sort of broadly how you think of these platforms and where you stack rank a Robinhood.
Andrew, good morning. Look, I mean, this was an epic quarter for them, right? I kind of agree with everything Vlad said. The growth in deposits, the growth in those gold customers, they're now gaining share from Schwab and the Schwabs of the world, right? People are actually moving their retirement assets to Robinhood. So it's becoming more than just sort of a meme stock trading platform. And I think that's kind of the future of Robinhood. So I stack it like really, really high up on my list.
And you think that this is sustainable? I mean, if we were to take this chart back farther, obviously, it's been on a nice run, but, you know, life is relative. There was a period before this. It was a different story.
Yeah, look, I mean, the beginning 2021, there was a lot of, you know, names out there that were, you know, I would say like overpriced. But if you look at the fundamentals, like what they've accomplished, like the jump in, you know, monthly average users, the jump in deposits, the jump in assets, they're executing and they're firing on all cylinders. And this is sustainable. Let me tell you why, because they're expanding into Europe, and then down the road, they're going to go into Asia. And there's a lot of people who like, you know, small time day trading in those countries. And that's what's going to get sort of the next leg to the story. So it's absolutely sustainable.
How much do you think this is tied to crypto, though?
Look, crypto was a huge part of it. And as you may know, I'm kind of not a big fan of crypto. I think crypto is probably the one thing that's not, you know, as sustainable as the other revenue streams. It brings people into the platform, right? And they're actually gaining share from, you know, other platforms like Coinbase. So they're doing really well. In my model, I'm not assuming crypto stays at the levels that it has been, that $126 million of revenue. I don't think this stays at these levels. And I'm still getting a pretty high number. So I'm being very, very conservative on the crypto revenue because I don't think it's as sustainable.
I'm curious, when you model out the crypto piece of this, do you also model out the price of crypto? Meaning, so we're looking right now at Bitcoin, for example, at $60,000. Does part of the calculus in your mind have to be that crypto, if it's going to be less, that it doesn't go up as much as you would expect, or that it comes down? I mean, what's the thinking?
Yeah, absolutely right. Look, it's the greater fool, right? So when crypto prices go up, volatility goes up, more people buy it. When it goes down, or when it's at the 60,000 level, what we're seeing in April right now or in May, volumes come down. So you have to kind of have a view on, you almost have to have a view on Bitcoin and where you think it's headed to understand where crypto is going. So what we do just out of conservatism is we just assume the revenue from crypto is a fraction of what it was in the first quarter, because this was really nuts, right?
Okay, so Dan, real quick, we got to run, but price of, if you're doing that modeling, tell us what you think. Bitcoin is $60,000 right now. 12 months from now, in your model, it is blank. What is it?
Yeah, I mean, look, I'm negatively biased. I don't have an official view on Bitcoin, but I'm assuming it just doesn't go in either direction, just kind of stays where it is. Okay. But I'm not a fan of Bitcoin, so period.